Well. Good morning, everyone. Oh my god, I haven't done this in nearly a month. Hello from the other side of the world. I'm currently in Japan, and if you don't follow me on my Instagram, oh my god, the people who don't follow me on my Instagram, which is like 400,000 people on here, which, oh my god, we've hit 500k since I've been away. I've been hiding on the other side of the world for the last month, since January the 2nd. I didn't post anything about it, and I didn't take any photos or film any videos whilst I was away, just because I wanted it as some time. Not that I ever sort of am like, I need a break from my job, it's so hard, because I really enjoy what I do and I enjoy my routine. I think for everyone, even if you enjoy something, it's always good to take a little break, and I've really enjoyed it. I've literally been on my phone so little, and my usual screen time, I'm not even going to put it out there because it just is absolutely horrendous, but my screen time like has dropped so much, which is so good. I've been around Cambodia and Thailand. I had so much fun. I had the most amazing time, and now I am in Tokyo, and I'm actually going to be traveling around Japan. I'm in Japan for 3 weeks. Well, we're in Japan. We'll sit over there on the bed. We're in Japan for about 3 weeks. My monobrow is coming back. Get the tweezers on there. I can't find them. It's our last day actually today in Tokyo. How many days have we had, Will? 5 full days?
Yeah.
I'm very, very, very sad to be leaving Tokyo. Honestly, I don't want to give too much away, but I'm moving here. Surprise, not clickbait. No, but I just feel like the way of life in Tokyo is so much nicer. They've got so much cool stuff. The food is better. The people are nicer. The clothes, don't even get me started on the clothes. Even Will has like fallen in love with the way everyone here dresses. You know, I'm gonna show you a bit of Tokyo through my eyes today, ladies and gentlemen, and hopefully if you have been here, it will bring back some memories. If you haven't been here, you're gonna want to come, or if you are planning on going here are a few fun places. And transition queen, just call me Zoella. Here is my outfit of the day. As I said, I've been really inspired by the whole Japanese way of life, to be honest, predominantly the fashion. So I went to Zara and I got a few things. Now this is so like not how I usually dress. Am I gonna have to go really far? Yeah, I'll just show you in the mirror. I need to turn. Why am I so bad with everything? Cameras, excuse how messy our room is. Okay, why? Will you just... My skirt is from Zara. It's really cute, comes with a belt. I love leather. My jumper is also from Zara. This was like $7. At least 50% ecologically grown cotton. What a bargain, and it's super soft. I'm planning on wearing it with... Oh, my headband is from a vintage shop in Tokyo. Does that go or not?
I think it goes.
Trench coat is also from the same vintage shop that I got the headband from, which had loads of really cool stuff. And...
Wait, stay there, stay there.
No, because we're going to zoom in on it.
No, I'm doing a panel.
So this is the street that we've been staying on. It's a little place called, well, it's not little, it's basically right next to Shinjuku, but it's called Okubo. Okubo, I'm pretty sure, and it's such a great location if you're coming to Tokyo. Our Airbnb was super cheap. It is just a small little room, but it's really clean. It's really cute inside. Before it looked like it'd been hit by a nuclear bomb. All my clothes. Also, listen to me talking about tourism, Mrs. Worldwide Check. Me and Will have been obsessed with this coffee. I've put it on my Instagram story a couple times, but I don't know if I'm in the mood for something sweet today, because this one's really sweet, this one's a bit stronger. Will says he prefers the Georgia Craftsman. If you come to Japan, you've got to try Boss Coffee. Or maybe I'm just really dumb and they have it in so many different countries. I'm fun like an idiot. So we're at this pancake place that we see massive crowds outside of. Is it even on me?
Yeah, well, it's kind of on you, kind of on the pancake.
That we see massive crowds outside of every morning, and I asked Will this morning if we could stop and get a pancake. So I got a cheese-filled pancake.
It's gonna be hot.
Shit meats.
Tasty.
So good. They also have a beans pancake, and me being so British thought it was like a baked beans pancake, and then Will was like, I don't think it's baked beans, and we look up at the thing and it's black and it's like normal boring black beans. Imagine if you ordered a pancake that you thought was filled.
Boring black beans.
Boring black beans. Can you stop?
I'm trying to...
I was gonna say, imagine ordering a pancake, thinking it was baked beans, and it's like boring black beans. This is Shibuya Crossing. It's basically just a massive crossing in Japan. It's pretty famous, and fun fact, this is actually the highest grossing Starbucks coffee in the world. Only in Japan would you find Swarovski Pokemon. We're heading out of Shibuya over to Harajuku now. Harajuku we've already been to before, but it's actually like my favorite place and I really wanted to come back. So we're coming back in Shibuya. I kind of just forgot to film anything, and to be honest, we'll try to not get hit by a car. But basically I've had like a really bad headache, but in my jaw, like from here and the back of my head all the way down my jaw, and I couldn't work out what it was. I thought I'd been grinding my teeth like really hard on my sleeve. Turns out it was my bloody headband. Like my headband was so tight on my head, it was literally giving me like a jaw ache. We're at this beautiful shrine in Tokyo. I'm quite conscious of filming because I know some bits aren't supposed to be filmed, but you can write a prayer, well not a prayer, or like a thought or well wishes towards someone, or hopes and dreams and stuff, and then you like hang them up around this special tree. I think I might do a little one for my family. Get it in. What are you doing?
I'm stretching for you.
Aw, get you a boy who stretches your headbands when they're too tight on your fat head. What have you got?
Pork, donburi with cheese.
We're in like Yoshinoya, English, well not English, Japanese. We're in a chain called Yoshinoya, which is kind of like a fast food Japanese chain, but it's like ramen, so it's just like super casual. But I'm not actually really hungry. I feel like my pancake really filled me up, so I think I'm just gonna get a crepe because I'm 5 years old. Banana cream custard crepe. Okay, should I try it?
Yeah. Is that some good crepe?
Oh my god. This is honestly... When it comes to things like crepes, banana, strawberry is so superior to chocolate. Will is a chocolate boy through and through, but I feel like you're not experiencing it, like, because you're basically just having a chocolate bar. And it's like pears. Pears are so pears are such an underrated fruit. Oh my god. I could literally sit with just like a bowl of custard and banana and eat it for every meal. I'm such a sweet tooth. Like, this is literally my lunch. Why am I like this? Okay, this is actually what the inside of my brain looks like. In Prague, they have so many pick and mix sweet shops, and I'm not even, like, it sounds dramatic, I'm not even joking when I say I spent over £50 over a weekend on sweets. Don't mind me, just about spend my life savings on a bag of sweets the size of my fist. £10 later, we have a sweet. I can finally try this.
This is everything you hoped it would be.
I got them in chocolate as well.
Oh.
These are the best thing ever. Look.
Oh, that does look tasty.
Marshmallow, chocolate.
Thank you.
Eat it, eat it, eat it. These are what I've been spending the last week grinding in the arcades to try and win. Honestly, I don't even want to think about how much money I must have spent on arcade games. Will, we probably could have just bought one of these for the price it cost us on so many arcade games.
Yeah.
Why do her eyebrows look like that? And we're on a street that has, I think it's quite famous, but it's got loads of food places where you basically dine out sort of on the street. However, it's pretty hard as a veggie to find food in Japan. Like, there's literally no vegetarian food here at all. But I'm feeling hopeful, positive vibes, sending positive vibes into the universe. Hopefully we'll find something because it's such an amazing street, like, wow. Oh my god, I finally got dinner. This is a tofu curry with rice and then some miso soup. I have been so hungry. I've literally been pestering Will to let me come and eat because obviously I didn't have lunch, but it was a crepe. They put cheese on everything in Japan, which is really surprising.
Is it good?
Should I try and eat it with chopsticks? Oh my god, I vibe so hard with this food. Something really unfair is that Will, who's never really eaten Asian, well, he has eaten Asian food, but it's more of a recent thing that you're like really enjoying it.
Yeah.
He can just pick up chopsticks and use them. I have been eating Asian food for years, and I still can't do it. There's literally no tactic with me eating chopsticks, it's just lucky if I get any. Japanese cosmetic store check. I'm on the search for a face. Oh no, my battery's flashing. I'm on the search for a face mask because my skin has been shit ever since getting off the plane. Oh, Will thinks he's found them. Oh, those are sheet masks, that could be fun. Basically, my skin's just been so bad since getting off the plane from Tokyo. I don't know what it is. I don't know whether it's the pollution. Like, why you gotta do this? I don't know if I want a sheet mask or a clay mask or maybe just a pore strip. Or maybe just buy a few because you know me, I love an excuse to buy a shit ton of shit. I don't actually... Baby fish. Interesting. I've never felt more confused in my whole life. Like, what is all of this stuff? There's literally no English on anything, which I'm kind of thriving off, but what? Like nail varnish for babies? Come again? We're gonna win this teddy and we're gonna capture on camera.
You're on low battery, hurry up.
I won about 6 lollipops, and well, I say I won, it was like an inevitable win one that I probably still got ripped off for, but we're here in spirit. Will has defo caught the arcade fever. I don't know what he's on a mission for, but we keep walking into arcades and then walking out, and he's like, no, not the one. I think maybe he wants to be one of those boyfriends who wins their girlfriend a big teddy to parade around, or knowing Will, I think he wants a big dinosaur. Will's had a Chew High, which is like a 10% alcoholic drink, and now he thinks the fact they call fries long potatoes is the funniest thing in the world. And he's also getting a corn dog. Well, they're like mozzarella corn dogs. It's like 10 o'clock and we're about to head home now. But we've just been in the arcades all night, causing a ruckus. I haven't been drinking tonight. I had a jasmine green tea. I'm hoping to scran a couple bites of Will's cheese dog, and I can show you. Annoying girlfriend check. Ooh, wowee. Why has this whole vlog just been us eating? Please. Please. I'm only small. Please. Please. The nerve of this boy to think he can eat all the corn dog that he paid for. Men. Ugh. Am I right, ladies? Or am I right? You know what I mean? Please, a little bit. Or are you gonna be like, you can have the rest of this? Oh, here we go. Why is it so saggy? No offense, Will, your corn dogs are really saggy.
That was literally like half of what I had left. Unbelievable.
Why is it sweet? Oi, come here. Oi, you, come here. Oi! Get back here with that corn dog.
We gotta do as the Japanese do.
Oh, yeah, what? Drinking Choo-Hai in the street? That's what I thought.
Just a bit too high.
Oi!
Floss, stop.
Let me have a
Stop.
No.
No, you've...
Oi, give me a bite. Oi! Give me a bite. Please. Please, a little one. Just a little one. Please.
No.
Please. Please. Can I have the rest? Can I have the rest? Let me have the... Please. We're back home now. The time is about, I'm gonna guess, between 10:30 and 11. So I'm gonna finish this vlog here. I really hope you enjoyed it. Congratulations if you made it all the way to the end. That's quite impressive. Oh, thank you. Let me know if there are any other videos that you want me to do whilst I am out here, and I will try and get that done for you. Apart from that, I love you guys all so much. I hope you're all having a great start to your 2020. Maybe this has inspired you to come to Japan. I mean, Tokyo has been my favorite place I've ever traveled to, ever, and I would definitely be coming back. Subscribe if you would like to see more videos. Leave requests and comments. Please leave requests in the comment section down below, because Lord knows I need them for video ideas whilst I'm out here. I love you all so much. Bye.